Good morning, students. Today we are going to see lesson number 3, Properties of Natural Resources. Take out your textbooks, put in front of you, and see in that third lesson, Properties of Natural Resources. Now, properties of air. See in pink line, air is all around us. You know that air, we cannot see it, but yet we feel the presence of air. When we inhale, यानी कि जब हम सांस लेते हैं, when we inhale air is taken in through the nose. If we blow on our hand through our lips, we can feel the air. Now see this experiment, try this. Take a stick from a broom or a paper or plastic straw. Take whatever you have. Tie a thread to at its center and hang it so that it remains horizontal. Tie 2 rubber balloons of the same size at the two ends of the stick. You can see in this picture. See to it that the stick remains horizontal. Now remove one balloon, inflate it and tie it again at its original position. Does the stick remain horizontal? The stick goes down on the side of the inflated balloon. This means that air has weight. Air is a mixture of gases. Therefore, like all other matter, it has mass and weight. See in this experiment, you can do at home also. Take a stick and tie 2 balloons at it and keep the thread, tie the thread that the stick keeps in a horizontal. Now take an injection syringe without the needle, pull its piston and observe it. As you do so, take a syringe like this, you can see in the picture. The piston can be pulled out easily. The piston then remains in that position even if you let it go. Now close the inlet hole of the syringe tightly with your thumb. Pull the piston and let it go. Is the force required to pull out the piston more or less than before? Does the piston remain as it is after you let it go? The molecules of the gases in the air are constant motion. When these molecules strike a body, they create pressure on that body. This is the pressure of air that we call atmospheric pressure. On pulling the piston with the inlet hole of the syringe closed, more space becomes available to the air in the syringe and it becomes rarefied. As a result, the pressure of the air in the syringe is lowered. Comparatively, the pressure of the outside air is very high. That is why when the pulled out piston is released, it is immediately pushed in. If this experiment is repeated, holding the syringe in different position like vertical, horizontal or inclined, the piston is found to go into the same extent in all the cases. From this, we can infer that atmospheric pressure is the same in the all direction. From this, इसमें यहाँ पर आपने देखा है कि एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर है तो जो एयर में होता है और बलून्स में भी जो हवा आप भरते हो तो उसमें वेट और मास होता है. तो ये एक्सपेरिमेंट से आपको पता चलता है कि जो बलून्स एयर है तो एयर में है तो वेट और मास भी होता है और एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर एयर में वो भी प्रेजेंट रहता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी कैन सी this one. Observe and discuss. Take some water in a plastic cup and hold a straw upright in it. You can see in the picture. यहाँ आपको पिक्चर में दिख रहा है ना. Hold a small piece of another straw near the upper end of the first straw and perpendicular to that straw. Blow hard through the small piece of straw. You will see a fountain of water. Why did this happen? On blowing through the straw, the air at its open end is pushed away and hence the pressure of the air at the opening goes down. As the pressure of the air near the upper end of the erect straw becomes less than atmospheric pressure, the water in the cup is pushed from where the pressure is higher to where it is lower, that is, in the upward direction, and the water comes out in the form of fountain. The more forcefully you blow, the higher will be the fountain. This straw fountain works on Bernoulli's principle. स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको सामने करके दिखाए तो ये अच्छा है. तो यहाँ पर देखो एक्सपेरिमेंट में कैसा लिखा है कि एक आपको कप लेना है, उसमें वाटर लेना है, फिर उसके अंदर एक स्ट्रॉ लेकर रखना है और फिर वो स्ट्रॉ में जो वाटर आता है तो उसे दूसरे स्ट्रॉ से उसे फूंकना है तो वो उसमें फाउंटेन ऑफ वाटर नज़र आएगा. Now the next experiment is water droplets collected outside the glass. We can see it in the next video.